gonna take it home?
It's gonna have to carry it.
Yeah. I know many of you wanted a Christmas video, but we've been all over the place with work, and now we're going to California next week, so.
I was also sick for about 2 weeks.
I'm always sick, so this is what you're getting, a day in the life in Chicago.
I think it's like the first time we go out in like about 2 weeks too.
Yeah, because we have no car anymore, so. So we picked up our tree, and now we're going out for dinner.
Yeah, just somewhere local, you know, in the neighborhood.
Yeah. I wanted something healthy, and I was like, nope.
No.
I want pizza or pasta or something like that.
Carby. I want something carby.
Yeah.
Put up the lights, the candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling.
You were serious when you were saying you wanted carbs.
Yeah, we got Chicago style poutine. Because we haven't had poutine since the last time we were in Montreal, so it's gonna be a treat for me. It doesn't beat Canada's, but it's pretty darn good. It has mozzarella, and I think it's like sprinkled with Parmesan, and it has gravy. And I'm not sure what kind of it's beef gravy. It's good, right?
Just bring it down, like yours.
It looks like it's hot. That's good. Really nice, tangy onion flavor.
It smells so good. So what do you get?
Filet mignon lasagna.
No way. People are gonna think you have an issue with filet mignon.
This is regular ground beef.
Yeah.
But lasagna is one of my favorite things.
She said they watched it from home.
That's really good. I really enjoy the sauce on this. And the sauce is perfect. It's al dente with the sauce.
The Athenian chicken.
It looks Athenian.
From Greece.
Hilarious.
Okay.
He was like, you know, just in case you don't finish it, here's a to-go box, but I'm pretty sure you will. And I think he might be right.
Because of course they share everything.
Oh, it's moist.
Esos tres leches, that's
Yeah.
Use your fork or ask for a spoon. Do you want a spoon?
That's good.
Excuse me, sir.
That's good.
Yeah, because it's not too watery. It's just the right amount of moistness. I'm a sweets expert.
You are. You like tres leches.
Right?
I do.
That we all know is COVID-19.
What do you think? We'll be able to finish it?
We're gonna finish it, no problem.
He was right.
Alright, I think I ate for like 4 days. I'm so stuffed. Yeah, we have leftovers.
Literally half of everything.
Yes.
I've been recording this whole time. So we got ourselves a little tree this year. We weren't really feeling bringing out the bigger tree, so we decided to buy a small real tree. And we haven't had a real tree in like the longest time. I think the last time Maria and I had one of these real trees was back when we lived in San Antonio, and our living room had carpet. And that was like one of the worst experiences with a real tree, was when it would start to, what's the correct word, like shed or something? And it was so hard to get out of the carpet. It was a nightmare. And I think from that point forward, we never bought a real tree, but we have hardwood floors, so cleaning up won't be so difficult. And I just thought it'd be nice to have a small real tree, you know, maybe get that pine scent. I'm just noticing, oh my goodness, my hair. This is what happens when you don't have a car. You can't get to a barber. Don't look at that.
Alright, so I guess I'm doing all white.
Are you gonna do an all white tree?
Yeah, I'm feeling like a white Christmas.
I'm dreaming of what? Oh my god,
I just have a bunch of these.
I can't sing.
Yeah, you can sing.
Christmas. No.
You don't know where to put it?
I don't know where to put it.
Well, the back of the tree is pretty empty. People don't care about the back of the tree, but I do.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I feel like if we had a cat, this tree would be partially safe from the cat.
I don't know. I don't think so. Cats can get anywhere.
A cat owner is probably gonna tell me a tree is never safe, but I don't know. I feel that this one might be a little bit safe from the cat.